Good morning. How are you doing today? Are you good? Yes. I hope you're all good. Okay, class, take a seat. We're going to be starting with our lesson. So, I need to warn you, what is multiplication pattern? Multiplication pattern is 7 multiplied by 4 equals 24. 70 times 40 equals to 200. Multiplication pattern means you put the zeros together. When you put the zeros together, that means you know multiplication. If you know multiplication, you can do division. Okay? Okay, teacher, now I get it. Excellent, Ryan. 700 times 400. When you put the zeros together, you count it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you put the zeros together. Is that clear? Yes. Finally, you get it. Let's solve some examples. Wait, let me read my book. Check. Let's go do the check. Oh, I forgot my book. My book is the best thing ever. You see them already. Alright, I gave my book to myself. Okay. So let's do chapter 4. Lesson multiplication patterns. Check. Let's do number 1. Number 1 says tell what rule you can use to multiply with multiples of 10, 100, 1000, and 10,000. It's not important. Write, skip in your notebook. Number 2, let's do the answers. Number 2, we're gonna do number 2. A, B, C. 3 times 20, 3 times 200, 3 times 2,000. So we have to do 3 times 20 equals to what? We have to find it in vertical. Alright, your teacher's notebook is here. I forgot this was the round book I'm giving. I bring my notebook here to take the things. Let me check Ryan's because he only wants to do it. So excellent. Very good, Ryan. Here's your notebook. Yay, full mark. Yes, you've got full marks. Well, when you're doing this, 20 times 3 doesn't equal to 120. So you have to know it's not 120, my dear students. It's 600. If you know multiplication, you will do division, and you do multiplication patterns like 1,000, 10,000, and stuff. So story, you have to do 600. A, 600. B, 6,000. C, 60,000. This is the answer. I did it by myself. Number 3. Wait, let me read. Oh my God. I made it wrong again. Number 3. 4 times 400, 4 times 4,000, 4 times 40,000. Who wants to do it round? 4 times 4, 16. 16. Excellent. So when you do 1,600 and 16,000, 60,000, and 160,000. Okay, you get it? Is that clear? Yes. Excellent, Ryan. For you, it's clear because you study hard and hard and hard. Proud of you. 8 times 50. Who wants to do it? Who does this equals to? He or she knows the answer. The student knows the answer. Let's see if who got the latest mark. It means who got 100 mark. Excellent. Proud of you, Ryan. I will let you solve any question. Before everything you have to do, I am doing it. Then you have to do it. 8 multiplied by 5. Who knows? Ryan again. 40. 40. So you have to make it 4,000 and 40,000. So the answer is very clear. Is that clear? Yes. For you, it's clear because you study hard. Number 5. 9 multiplied by 30. Who knows to solve? Ryan! Excellent, Ryan. 30 multiplied by 9. The very first thing is to do 3 multiplied by 9. What does it equal? 27. 27. Excellent. 30 multiplied by 9 is 270, 2,700, and 27,000. So the clear answer is 27,000. Is that clear? Yes. Use a basic fact and a pattern to write each product. The number is different. Number 6, 4 multiplied by 7. With that pattern, you have to do, in the beginning, you have to do 4 times 70. I'm sorry, 4 times 7. You have to do 4 times 7. You have to know 4 times 7. What does it equal, Ryan? 28. 28. If we make it 70, we put the 0 again and again and again. Is that clear? I hope everyone studied. Yes, excellent. For Ryan, it's the clearest multiplication. But for you, it isn't. You have to study, then it will be clear. So when we're doing this, we can see that the answer is clearly 28,000. The answer is clearly 28,000. So when you have to do this, it's very clear. $20 times 10. What does it equal? you have to do 20 times 1. I'm sorry, you have to do 2 times 1. Alright, when we do 2 times 1, we clearly know that the answer is clearly 2. But when you do it, you put these 2 zeros again. It equals to 200. Is it clear? Yes. I hope everyone studied. So please study next day. We will review it for better experience. I hope you studied all of the chapters from 100,000 to multiplication pattern, because we do the test together. 12 multiplied by 10. The very first thing is you have to do 12 multiplied by 1 equals 12. And the other one equals to 120. But if you manage to do 20 times 10, you have to do 20 times 1. It equals to 20. If you make it 10, you put the zeros again. So you have to do 200. It's the clearest answer. But if you manage to do it 2 times 1 equals 2, or 2 times 10 equals 20, then 20 times 10 equal to 200. It's wrong. You have to do it with another way. I have the tip for you. The tip is you shall do 20 times 1, not 2 times 10. 20 times 1 or 2 times 1. That's the clearest answer ever gotten. 12 times 1 equals to 12 times 1 equals to 12. 12 times 10 equals to 120. You put the 0 again. Twenty-four times 3. 24 times 3. You have to count it. I will solve it for you. But the tip is you should count it by brain 24 times. Six. 2 times 3 equals 6. $72. Let me count it again. Let's see if I was wrong. You have to add it. I have another idea. You have to add it, not by thinking, because you will be wrong again. So check 24 plus 24 equals to 48. 48 plus 48 equals to 6. We all know equals 6. 1 times 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 9. You have to complete the product. 14 times 10. You have to know 14 times 10. You add the 0 again, it equals to 140. Who knows the next answer will be smart. 16 times 20. The very first thing is add 16, multiply by 16. You have to add it. 16 plus 16. 22. Because then we will do this 1 plus 1, 2. Equals to 22. Equals to 22. Whoever knows this answer will be smart. You will be a genius. $34 times 40. The very first thing is to can you tell me, Ryan? You have to add it. You have to add it. 34 plus 34. 60 equals to 68. 68! Good job. 34 times 14. 40. You have to do 34 times 4. Even when it's not easy, you have to do 34 times 2. I'm sorry. Plus 34 plus 34, 68 plus 68, 66. How will you do 16? One on the top, one on the top. 1 plus 6, 7. Plus 6, 13. 136. 136 plus 136, 12. 1 on the top, 3. Thank you, Ryan. 1 on the top. Yes, it's 1 on the top. Because you can't do 12. Right? 1 plus 3, 4. Plus 3, 7. 7. It's equal to 272. Excellent, Ryan. You're the best student ever. You're a genius. Thank you. No problem. I said thank you, teacher. No problem. Let's do this, and for the next day, inshallah, we will finish it. The last example is 27 plus 27, because it's 30. 27 plus 27. Ryan, 2 plus 2, 4. 4. 7 plus 7, 14. 14, 1 on the top, 1 plus 2, 3. Times 2. Plus 2, 5. 54. Plus 54. 4 plus 4, 8. Excellent. 5 plus 5, 10. 108. 108. So 34. Wait, let me check. 27 plus 30. You just add the 0 again. You have to do 27 times 3 equals to 108. 1080. Excellent. Have a great day. Have a great day.